Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and we're going to be looking at two different little locks from my Yale salesperson's demo case. And we're doing these two for one reason they got in common, and that's that these are not original locks from that case. This is almost a direct replacement. It's the same style and range. You can see from the lettering, this one is from the kit originally, this one isn't. It's got the stripes, got that lettering. But this is actually 5mm wider than the original. This is a P110 40 and it should be a P110 35, but I just cannot find one. One day I might and I'll swap it out, but for now this is the one little 5-pin lock, very cute. Then this is the same model, but not quite again. So this is a Y150-30, not a P150-30. Almost certainly the same lock and same mechanism, but again you can see that there is style difference, see the Yale logo difference there. But other than that, it will be the exact same lock and mechanism. So have a play around with these. So first up is the little P110 40. Works very nicely. Close back up, and we're going to pick this because it's a nice small keyway. Just a short hook and a possibly keyway tensioner. So let's have a go. Pop the pick in, just pull it through, 5, 4, 3 little click, 2 little click, 1 little click. It's going to go back through the lock now. Nothing on 5, nothing on 4, 3, tiny click, and oh, false set. Wasn't expecting that. So is it on pin 1? It is, and we're open. There we go. Very, very small, very cute lock. Clearly low security application, but yeah, kind of sweet. No ball bearing mechanism either, so it's just a standard shimmerable padlock, but kind of cute. This one, I believe, is straight out of the pack, so should be able to be changed to all zeros. Yeah, it's open. But if we push it down like this, and I'll cover it up like this and give it a real scramble like this, so I can't see what's happening, and make sure they are in a slot, which they are. Keep my hand over it so I can't see. Pull that out, drop it back down into its bit there, and spin them. We now have a combination which shouldn't be zeros. Let's give that a go. 0, 0, 0, 0. Sorry, I've got a bit of a cold at the moment. So, okay, all lock back up. Now I guess we have to do the shackle pull method. Let's put these into some kind of gate or something and just see. Okay, so I'm in a gate and I've got some movement there. This one's binding, these aren't binding as heavily, so this one's binding. Okay, it's quite a lot of movement there. If I'm using this line here as a guide, it's not quite a whole number, so I'm just going to try it until I find one which is super loose on that number. That's really loose on that number. Has it changed the binding of these? Possibly. So let's turn it until I feel something click. And if it's not, then it signifies that actually that first number isn't right. That's clicked, actually, so let's choose this one. Not loose enough, I don't think. That's really loose. That's really loose. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, we're in. That's really loose. So that there feels like a true gate. That one does. And this one might not be, so let's advance it on a bit more. Oh, and there we go. It is 428. That's the code. Yeah, so it did work. All I did with this one is just feel for the true gates. They're very, very sloppy on this. Kind of easy to decode on this one. Bit of a shame, but again, it's a cute little lock. It's not particularly hard to decode. You just have to find the binding wheel, turn them until they go into what feels like a true gate, wiggle it and just compare how loose it is and whether it impacts the other dials. If it goes super loose and one of the other dials it increases in its difficulty to turn, it's a good indication that you're in a true gate. And then you can just go through the dials like I did until you get an opening. A 3-dial lock like this, even blind like I just did there, shouldn't take you very long. Anyway, those are these two odd ones out in the kit. My replacements, they're kind of cool. They're very sweet. They won't replace anything particularly high security in the first place. So yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like. If you've got a comment, leave a comment below. I'll read all of the comments, reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, really do consider subscribing if you like this kind of content. And of course, I will see you all next time.